Welcome to our deep dive into the world of enterprise asset management, known as EAM, and computer maintenance management systems, abbreviated as CMMS. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep, here to unravel the complexities and differences of these two systems. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of EAM and CMMS, their histories, functionalities, and how they can help your business thrive. Now let's get started. The terms EAM and CMMS are often used interchangeably in the industry, but they are not the same. So what's the difference? Think of it this way. A CMMS is like a heartbeat monitor. It keeps an eye on the pulse of your factory's assets, alerting your maintenance team when something needs fixing or preventive maintenance. But when your facility becomes too large for a CMMS to cover every asset, that's when an EAM comes into play. It's like a comprehensive health tracking system that monitors every vital sign of a patient from the moment they enter the hospital until they leave. While a CMMS gives you a snapshot of how your assets are doing right now and helps you plan for the future, an EAM tracks the entire life cycle of every piece of equipment you own, from the second it's purchased to the moment it becomes scrap. Plus, EAM systems have additional features like financial audits, lockout-tagout procedures, and detailed maintenance records for decommissioned equipment. Now let's take a trip back in time to understand how these two systems came to be. The origins of CMMS date back to the 1960s, when large companies relied on manual systems to track work orders, preventive maintenance, inventory control, and equipment history. These early systems were labor-intensive and prone to errors, but they laid the foundation for the CMMS we know today. Fast forward to the 1980s, when the advent of mini-computers allowed CMMS providers to enhance their functionality, making data entry more user-friendly and improving reporting capabilities. However, these systems were still limited to single departments or facilities. As technology advanced, CMMS systems evolved to become web-based, allowing for greater access and manipulation of data. Today, CMMS has expanded to include more sophisticated preventive maintenance, asset and inventory management, multi-site support, purchasing, and MRO management. Now let's talk about EAM. It originated in the mid-1970s, when manufacturing companies were grappling with production line problems. The first solutions were materials resource planning, or MRP solutions, which evolved into manufacturing resource planning, or MRP2 systems, and eventually enterprise resource planning, or ERP systems. While these solutions were addressing manufacturing-related production and inventory issues, other industries like electric, mining, defense, mass transit, and oil and gas were dealing with rising costs of physical asset management. This led to the development of the first real EAM systems, which focused on managing a company's physical assets throughout an entire organization. Today, EAM systems not only serve maintenance departments and inventory asset management within a company, but also look at the equipment that involves purchasing, engineering, accounting, and safety. Over time, the lines between CMMS and EAM have blurred. The advent of web-based technology has essentially merged the two systems. Today, both CMMS and EAM solutions share many features and capabilities, from preventive maintenance and asset tracking to purchasing modules and multi-site support. So, which is right for your organization? That depends on factors like your size, projected growth rate, key pain points, and business goals. Smaller or mid-sized organizations may benefit from a CMMS system, which often has comparable capabilities to an EAM at a lower cost. For example, a mobile-first-based solution such as Upkeep is easy to use and can have your team up and running within weeks. On the other hand, medium or larger businesses that manage many assets in many different locations may benefit from a full-blown EAM system. This offers the advantage of storing all a company's asset information in a centralized location, which can include warranty records, repair histories, audit trails, purchase orders, and other important details. In conclusion, both CMMS and EAM systems have evolved from their humble beginnings to become sophisticated tools that automate manual processes, collect critical data, and fuel smarter, long-term business decisions. With the advent of machine learning and artificial intelligence, we can look forward to even more accurate data to help companies embrace truly predictive maintenance processes. Thank you for watching. We've explored the histories and functionalities of EAM and CMMS systems, and how they can help your business thrive. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more videos.